Welcome to today's lesson on goal setting for queen rearing. To ensure successful queen rearing and a thriving apiary, there are 5 crucial factors you must take into account. Environment. Assess the winter survival of your hives and consider ideal grafting conditions. Check the temperature, 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity, over 50%, for optimal grafting success. Seasonal flows. Ensure your bees have a surplus of food during queen rearing. Provide a deep frame full of pollen and another with fresh nectar next to the grafting area. Choose a time with continuous nectar and pollen flow for the best results. Proximity to other hives. Think about the genetic diversity within your apiary for controlled mating. Also, consider the distance to other hives, up to 5 kilometers, as it influences disease transmission and swarm management. Colony strength. Strong hives are essential for successful queen breeding. Ensure each hive has at least 6 pounds of bees, and consider a double brood box setup for easy manipulation during queen rearing. Apiary size. Plan ahead and estimate the number of hives needed for your goals. Make sure you have enough equipment and space for your beekeeping operations. By taking these factors into account, you'll be well prepared to set goals for queen rearing, produce high-quality queens, and maintain a sustainable apiary. Remember, the health of your colonies is crucial for a successful beekeeping journey.